Assemble the BREWSTER next to a sink with a water tap and near a normal power outlet. On this video we have water supply from a water pipe installed for the BREWSTER, as well as piping has been made for the drain. Place the base on a flat surface next to the sink. Arrange the counterflow chiller around the base. Uncoil the cord from the bottom of the kettle and place the kettle on the base. The ball valve with flow control and bazooka screen is mounted in the hole in the kettle. Remember, a gasket should be both on the inside and the outside of the hole. Connect the counterflow chiller to the flow control. Mount the tap connector to the tap. The tap connector fits both taps with inside and outside thread. First dismount your tap's own filter, then mount the tap connector. Insert the 10 mm tube into the left exit on the flow control. The other end of the same tube is connected to the tap connector. Plug the power cord into the socket and you're ready to fill the BREWSTER.